Gingerbread Man. Once upon a time, there were a little old woman and a little old man who lived in a little cottage near the river. The little old woman and the little old man were hungry, so the little old woman decided to bake a gingerbread man. Today I'm going to make some gingerbread man. Delicious! I love gingerbread. The old woman put all the ingredients together and then put the mixture on the table. She got her rolling pin and rolled the mixture until it was flat. Then she cut out gingerbread man shape and laid them on a tray. She popped the tray into the oven and shut the door. The old woman sits down at the table and falls asleep. Suddenly, the old woman woke up with a start. She heard a voice. Ouch! It's hot in here! The old woman looks shocked and jumped to her feet. Who said that? I did. Let me out of here. The old woman bent down and looked into the oven. She could see the gingerbread man standing up, knocking on the glass door. She carefully opened the door. The old woman jumps back in surprise as the gingerbread man leaps out of the oven onto the kitchen floor. Ha ha ha! Run, run as fast as you can! You can't catch me! I'm a gingerbread man! Ha 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 ha! The gingerbread man runs out of the door. Come back here! Hey, husband, wake up! The gingerbread man has run off down the road. The old woman and the old man ran after the gingerbread man out of the door and down the road. The gingerbread man was very fast. He raced past a horse in a field. Hey, stop, gingerbread man! You look good enough to eat. Run, run as fast as you can! You can't catch me! I'm a gingerbread man! So the horse jumped over the fence and raced after the old man and the woman who were chasing the gingerbread man. Soon the gingerbread man passed a cow chewing a grass in the field. Hey, stop! You look good enough to eat. Run, run as fast as you can! You can't catch me! I'm a gingerbread man! So the cow jumped over the fence and raced after the old man and the old woman and the horse who were all chasing the gingerbread man. The gingerbread man was very pleased with himself. He thought he was very clever. Suddenly, a fox appeared from behind a tree. Hello, gingerbread man. How are you today? Hello, fox. I have run away from an old woman, an old man, a horse, a cow, and I can run away from you. You don't need to run away from me. I was just wondering how you are going to cross this river. Gingerbread man is scratching his head and looking puzzled. Well, now that's a good question. I don't know. Well, I'm a very good swimmer. Why don't you hop onto my back and I will take you across? That's a good idea. I'll hop on your back. Let's go. Hold on tight. The fox started swimming across the river with the gingerbread man clinging on his back. Soon the water started to reach the gingerbread man's toes. Why don't you hop onto my back so that your feet don't get wet? Okay, I will. So the gingerbread man climbed onto the fox's neck. Soon the water was touching the gingerbread man's toes again. Why don't you hop onto my neck so that your feet don't get wet? Okay, I will. So the gingerbread man climbed onto the fox's neck. Soon the water was touching the gingerbread man's toes again. Why don't you hop onto the top of my head so that your feet don't get wet? Okay, I will. So the gingerbread man hopped onto the top of the fox's head. Soon the water was touching the gingerbread man's toes again. Why don't you hop onto my nose so that your toes don't get wet? Okay. Okay, I will. So the gingerbread man jumped onto the fox's nose. They were nearly at the other side of the river now. Here we are, gingerbread man. Thank Before the gingerbread man could say another word, the fox flicked up his nose, sent the gingerbread man spinning up in the air, opened his mouth, and swallowed him in one bite. And that was the end of the gingerbread man. Mmm, yummy, delicious.